Hello, good day. My name is Oshipita Uke. I studied at the University of Calabar. I studied mechanical engineering, and my personality is I am quiet, I am resilient, and also curious. I love to experiment, to try new things. Why I am suitable for this scholarship is I know how to code using Python. I can use Python for data analysis. I can visualize data using Python, and also I can do some scientific calculation using Python functions such as NumPy and pandas. My knowledge of RAIN and RAIN mission. I got to know of RAIN a few days ago online. I know that it is founded by Dr. Olusola Ayola, and their mission is to support artificial intelligence solution and also to encourage national security. My coding experience is I have used Python functions such as NumPy for scientific calculation. I have also visualized data. There was a data I got from a research survey that I did on Nigerian businesses, and from that data I used Python to visualize the data, and I discovered that from the data the demand was very high. The demand for the market of the products that we are developing, the demand is very high. So how I plan to contribute to Nigeria's technological growth is I aim to use the knowledge that I will get from machine learning and artificial intelligence to solve the problem of renewable energy. I aim to use the knowledge to develop and to build prototypes that will thrive in the Nigerian market. I aim to use the knowledge to solve problems, to go into research and the rest. Okay, my relevant experience is I am part of a 3-member team who is working on a project on renewable energy using locally sourced materials, and in that project I built an automatic solar street light, and I also used solid waste. I converted it to form the pole of our solution, of our solar street light. And also in my final year project, I was part of an 8-member that worked on the development and test performance of a benchtop venturi tube. My experience in that project is I learned how to use the skills that I have learned in electrical and electronics, and also during my industrial training. So I used the knowledge I got from electronics to do troubleshooting. I tested for faults where there was faults due to the fact that our pump was not pumping water that would circulate through the pipe of the venturi tube. So I tested the faults, and that was how I got that experience. Which program track I am applying for? I definitely apply for artificial intelligence, machine learning, because of my present knowledge of Python, that I've used Python for scientific calculation and for data visualization. So I would definitely apply for AIML, artificial intelligence, machine learning. Thank you very much.